Blessings, everyone tuning into this message from the Sound of the Future Ministry. Take a moment to pause and reflect. In the book of Psalms, chapter 34, verse 8, the word says, "Taste and see that the Lord is good. Oh, the joys of those who take refuge in Him." Taste and see does not mean check out God's credentials. Instead, it is a warm invitation. Try this. I know you'll like it. When we take our first step of obedience in following God, we discover that He is good and kind. When we begin our Christian life, our knowledge of God is partial and incomplete. As we trust Him daily, we experience how good He is. In Jesus' mighty name, amen.